Let's learn how to blur moving text in Premiere Pro. First, add your text using the Text tool and set up its movement by creating keyframes for the text's position in the Effect Controls panel. Once the movement is set, go to the Effects panel, search for Gaussian Blur, and drag it onto the text layer in the timeline. Now, select the text layer and go to the Effect Controls panel. In the Gaussian Blur section, click on the Rectangle Mask tool and adjust the mask around the text. After that, click on the stopwatch icon next to Mask Path to enable keyframes and begin tracking the movement of the mask with the text. Increase the blurriness value to create the blur effect. Move the playhead forward to where the text ends its movement and adjust the mask path to follow the text as it scrolls. Adjust the mask feather for a smoother blur if needed. That's it. Your moving text is now blurred as it scrolls across the screen in Premiere Pro.